Hey guys, today I introduce Japanese KFC Rice.
Everyone knows KFC, right? Did you know you can turn KFC chicken into a completely different, delicious dish? If you want a new way to enjoy it, or use up leftover chicken, watch till the end and give this a try.
Let's make an incredibly flavorful rice dish packed with KFC goodness. So let's make it together!
Let's introduce ingredients. 2 pieces KFC chicken, 300 g of rice, 1 teaspoon of consomme bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. That's all you need to make the amazing KFC dish. Let's get started! First, wash the rice. Rice has surface starch and impurities. So rinse it lightly about 3 times. Be gentle, this is important. If you wash too hard, the rice can be break and lose its flavor. Just let the grain rub together naturally. Next, add water. Pour in 400 ml of water. A good ratio is 200 ml of water for evenly 150 g of rice. Add 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix everything well so the seasoning spread it evenly. Now for the star of the dish, KFC chicken. Place the 2 pieces directly into the rice. We are using 2 pieces here, but you can use up to 4 if you like. Everything is ready. Now just cook it in the rice cooker. It's hard to imagine how it will turn out, right? But trust me, this will become an incredible dish. Let it cook for about 15 minutes. Alright, it's done. Let's open the rice cooker. Wow, that color looks amazing! And it smells incredible! Next, remove the bone from the chicken. You can remove them before cooking, but cooking with the bone adds extra flavor. So it's best to take them out after cooking. You can easily do this with the rice paddle. Now mix the chicken into the rice. The key here is not to mash the rice. Gently fold and cut through the rice as you mix. Or mix it. Serve it in a bowl. Your KFC rice is ready!
So let's いただきます。
Let's take a bite. The chicken fat coats each grain, lacking the flavor almost like a paella. The rich flavor of the chicken has soaked into the rice. It's unbelievably delicious! You have to try this!
Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.